Simple ingredients, big flavor.
Make sure and give your chicken a good cleaning.
Wash your chicken well with lemon. This is where the magic starts. You can leave your seasoned chicken for a few hours or keep it overnight for better flavor. Add some oil in your pot to brown your sugar. Low, slow with some Caribbean love. You can add some carrots, celery, or just the chicken on its own. Tell me you're Caribbean without telling me.